Venus Cedar Falls, they're like the 6th seed, so it's not like they're not a good team. Okay. 2. Good old chapter 2, one of my favorites. I forgot to put it on your screen. Chapter 1. Obviously, we had 3 journals. What were they? Purchases, cash payments, general. So, when you use the purchases journal, you purchased merchandise on account. So, the exact opposite of that is your sales journal. So, purchases, you purchase merchandise on account. Sales, you sell merchandise on account. So anytime you sell merchandise on account, you're going to use the sales journal. General journal is still going to be for your credit. Yeah, anything, instead of us returning to them, they're going to be returning to us. So instead of purchases, returns, and allowances, you're going to use sales returns and allowances. So there's nothing earth-shattering or new. We're going to fly through chapter 2 as well, because chapter 3 then we'll get into some bigger stuff.
So S just means sales journal?
S means sales invoice. So anytime it's an S, yes, sales journal. So it tells us sold a bathing suit. Ooh. A little risque today. Sold a bathing suit to Emily Branford for $40 plus sales tax. Okay, we always got to check to see what our tax rate is. And it's telling us that the sales tax rate is 6%. So we are on 2013, September 1st. Emily Branford. Accounts receivable. How much are we going to debit accounts receivable? No. No. You don't.
Is that a 5?
That's an S.
Oh, an S. $42 and 40 cents.
Okay. Probably easier to do it the other way around, huh? All right, so swimwear is going to get credited $40 because that's how much actual product we sold. So that's always going to be your sales. Sales tax is 6% times 40, which Nate says $2.40. Anybody disagree? So the person owes us $40 plus the $2.40, so that's $42.40.
We're using cents now. That's not good.
Okay, sold 3 beach mats to Roger Minko, $75 plus tax. That's the 10th.
M-I-N-K-O-W.
It's a Russian. All right. It doesn't say, it says a beach mat, so I'm assuming that that's not swimwear, unless you're just wearing the mat. So we're going 75 for accessories. 6% of 75.
$3.
It can't be $3.
It's $4.50.
$4.50?
Is it? I don't believe Carol said
$4.50?
It's $4.50. Yes, I would.
So that's $79.50.
I'm sorry.
Nothing to it. Oh, they're trying to trick us here. On the 14th, sold bathing suits to Oak Grove High School swim team for $310, no sales tax. So, not really trying to trick us since they tell us. What type of companies or organizations do not pay sales tax.
Schools, federal buildings.
Yeah.
It's a specific type of company, though. They're all grouped under one category.
Sales tax exempt.
N,
Nonprofit?
nonprofit organizations, NPOs. So, just because a school can operate making a profit, but they're still a nonprofit organization. Same thing as religious affiliated hospitals, churches, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So 310, what'd they buy? Swimsuits, bathing suits. 310. 310. Okay. Roger. Roger is none too happy with one of his beach mats. So he's returning $25 plus the sales tax issued. He's returning it. So we are CM23. All right, so basically what we're doing is we're taking this transaction up here and you have to reverse it. So down here,
Only reversing part of it though.
yes, but the accounts we're dealing with are reversed. So up here, anything you debit up here, you're going to credit down here and vice versa. So sales is going to be credited. Well, we don't actually credit sales. We call it what? We call it sales. Can you see that? Returns and allowances. Document is CM23. It's going to be debited $25. Well, up here we credited sales tax, so down here we're going to debit sales tax payable.
Again, Roger Minko, right?
Yeah,
So this is gonna be 3 lines.
yes. So $25 sales tax on $25 is
$1.50.
one thing I know is you might be right and you might be wrong.
It's right.
150. So now credited is going to be accounts receivable slash Roger Minko for $26.50.
So we're taxing them on this return? Like,
No, we're refunding him the tax.
wow.
Because when you pay tax, when you buy something, you pay tax. When you return something, you get it back.
But even if you don't return the entire thing?
Sure.
you return
If I buy 2 pairs of jeans for $50 a piece,
You just return.
if I buy 2 pairs of jeans for $50 a piece, which I would never do because that's outrageous for a pair of jeans. But at any rate, it's 6% sales tax. My total bill's $106, right? So if I return 1 pair of jeans, am I going to get $50 back or am I going to get 53?
I would say 50, but I guess 50.
Okay.
Why does it tell you to post in the middle of it? I don't remember that last year.
Just so it doesn't get overwhelming.
So we don't have to if we don't want to.
No, I'm going to do it now. It says post the items that are to be posted individually. Okay? So, for right now, in this journal, the only thing we're posting are accounts receivable debit amounts. So we're going to find our accounts receivable ledger. 2 pages down. And it's going to say debit Emily Branford for $42.40. On the first, this is S9, debit $42.40, gives us a new balance of $97.40. 110. 110. Old Roger, 79.50. What's the date? The 10th. S9. Gives us a new balance of $215.50. 120. Then you got Oak Grove at 310. Which you guys can't see. What's the date on that? Gives us 380. And that was 140. I'll make this a little bit bigger here. Okay.
You don't
So now-
Post this to accounts receivable?
Not yet.
Okay.
Sales returns and allowances is going to be debited 25. So I gotta come over here.
Swimwear?
Oh, I forgot to put that down. You're right. My apologies. Sales returns and allowances. Good catch, Kara. Accessories. So this is on
15. General 18.
debited 25. Gives me a balance of 25. 4205 is the digit.
4215.
4215. So I meant. Sales tax payable, $1.50. G18, 150. Gives us a balance of 121.70. $22.30. Now this one goes in just the accounts receivable. So we are on the 15th. G18 crediting 2650 gives us a new balance of 32.25. $12.05 is the number. Got to put my slash in there, so 1205. And then I've got to find Roger. And he is on the 15th. G18. Normal lunchtime. And he is credited 2650. So now that balance is going to be 189. Even. Now we go 120. Okay. So now we're all posted. We just got a couple more left. Says the 18th. Sold beach towel to Sarah Nunez for $15. Towel would be an accessory. Sales tax on $15, 90 cents. Gives us $15.90. Sold an umbrella. Emily, she's always got to have something. 24. Emily Branford. $70. Sales tax on 70. $4.20, right?
Yep.
Gives us $74.20. And then the last one says granted credit to Sarah Nunez as an allowance
Defective beach
for a
towel.
defective beach towel. It had holes in it.
Oh,
Scorching sand.
I thought I just wanted
She
to
burned her
towel
skin.
herself automatically. That was an automatic beach towel.
Plus sales tax from sales invoice issued, credit invoice 24. So, same thing. Sales RNA. I'm just gonna, and it is for also accessories. This is CM 24, and it is for $15.
So 30 is now.
It's a good question. It's not the 15th, and it's not the 35th. All right, $15, sales tax payable. $0.90, and then you've got accounts receivable slash. Who was this for? Sarah.
Yes. Sarah and
That's $15.90.
Hosted.
Hosting. Sales journal, Sarah Nunez, $15.90. Date is the 18th. S9. Debit. $15.90. Gives us a new balance of $64.40. Is that right? Yeah. 130. Got Emily, 74.20 on the 21st. Oh, goodness.
Don't turn the page yet.
What is it?
171.60.
Oh, one.
171.60. All right.
And that is account 110. Now the big return. Sales returns and allowances for accessories again. Got a problem with some defective accessories. 15 gives us a balance of 40. Down here at the bottom. G18, that's 15. 40.
Account 42.15.
42.15 is the account. Sales tax payable, a whopping 90 cents. Gives us a balance of 120.80. It's 22.30. Jeez, Kara, get on the right page here. $22.30, And then I got a slash, so I got accounts receivable is gonna be credited 1590.
Wait, what did you guys get for sales tax payable and credit?
120.80.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
This is 1590, which gives us a new balance of $15.16.35.
Oh, you said 1560 what?
35. And that's 1205. And then the last one I got is Sarah, G18, is going to be credited 1590, which I know gives me 48.50, right? And that's 130. Now you got to do totals. So I come up here.
Oh, we got one more slide.
Totals. Macy, do you already have my totals?
Part of them.
What do you got?
522.
For the first one?
Yeah,
522.
Flat?
yeah.
Yeah.
12,
12 even?
yep,
Jeez. Alright.
and 350 even.
And this one's got to be
160.
160. Okay. My credits. I add those up. Gives me 410. 522 equals my 522. I feel good about this. Okay, double underline it. I'm gonna post these totals. Accounts receivable debit 522. Wrong way. Accounts receivable on the 30th. S9 522 gives me 2038.35. Total 5. Sales tax $12. Credited. It's 9. Is this 132.80? 22.30. $350 for sales credit swimwear. Wrong way. Sales swimwear 2013 September 30th. S9 350. No previous balance, so it's 350. Account 4105. And then I've got accessories at 160. $42.05. And that's all there is to it. Easy peasy, right?
Since 6, a lot of work.
6th. It's not that much work. We just did it in 25 minutes.
A lot of work.
You guys probably go faster than I do. You did it on your own.